Ahoy, mateys!
Ahoy, Capitan.
It's the new thing. Except for last time I did it in a pirate voice. It's the dumbest shit in the world, and I'm gonna keep doing it. Me faithful wench Lola be with me tonight.
You're a dirty pirate hooker.
She's a dirty pirate hooker, and it's me loves me dirty pirate hookers. What's good? Sailboat with Sailboats.Sneakers here.
And Lola.
The beautiful Lola. She has not been on a beater box episode in a hot minute. Tonight is going to be a big box. There are 2 boxes to choose from. This video has to be $1,000+ box after taxes and shipping.
Let's do it.
Let's get into this box and find out what we got tonight.
Oh, good lord. We're gonna have an adventure, I can tell. Looks good so far.
What do you see off the top here?
Jordan 1.
Okay, we got a Jordan 1. What else?
We got, and then we have a dunk.
She close.
Right? That kind of thing.
Let's pull out the most obvious one first. Box that everybody pretty much recognizes. This is in a size 13. It's a Jordan 1.
Bigfoot alert.
But it's a low.
I like lows. I know not everyone does, but for my wear, I like lows.
Got a pair of these Jordan 1, it's like a cracked leather upper, wax laces, beige leather on the tongue tab as well as the heel tab. A little bit of wear on the soles.
I feel like they could be a skateboarding shoe.
Around 1985, 1986, when the shoe first started to make waves, it was a very, very popular skateboarding shoe actually. This shoe is actually in relatively good condition other than the wear on the bottom. The uppers look really good.
Bottom might be hard to clean. It looks like that might be ink.
But overall, the shoe is in halfway decent condition. Not a bad first pickup for the box. Definitely not the best shoe.
I like it. I'm a fan. I want to do this one, but it looks like a fun box.
This box is the bane of my existence.
Oh no, is this one of those boxes with like the sleeve inside the sleeve? That means it's an 11?
Yes. Jordan 11, if the box proves to be true. Which of course, why wouldn't it be? So these are the Winlike 96s.
A little bit boring.
It's pretty boring. All red. These came out at a point in time when all red was pretty hype. I guess the midsoles and the outsoles aren't completely red, but they're still primarily red.
I think I'm biased to all red shoes. I'm like predispositioned to be like, all red? No, not my thing. They're for sure worn, but very lightly.
A tiny bit of creasing on the patent. They're definitely been worn, but maybe a couple of times. They weren't stepped in heavily, that's for damn sure. We got a size 9. Jordan 11, these are the Winlike 96s. 2 pairs in, doing halfway decent. Which box we pulling next, Lola? I guess we're picking the one that sticks out the most. It's a gold Nike SB box. Lola said earlier that it looks like a dunk box, and it is an SB dunk.
I am a genius.
Size 7, Dunk Low Pro SB.
My size, just not my style.
Pretty basic looking colorway here. Royal blue upper. Is that dead stock?
There's like no star loss.
This might be a dead stock pair right here. I think it is. Oh yeah, the lace bag is still attached. The lace bag is still attached. These are from 2008, so that explains why it looks like it's almost been a little bit worn, because this is a dead stock vintage pair of Nike SB Dunks.
I like these shoes, I won't lie. I like that they're a little bit older than the typical current release, more retro looking, wear them with some denim.
Got a size 7 Nike Dunk Low SB Pro from 2008 in dead stock condition. I don't know the specific colorway on this pair. A dead stock dunk, always a good pickup, always something good to have. On to the next. You want that one? Oh, we're going with the cool box. This box is fucking sick.
It's really cool. I hope it's a really cool shoe.
Size 6.5 men's, size 8 women's. The box is amazing.
The box is sick.
Some of you guys might know this box already. I'm gonna give you a hint. It says Readymade blazer.
Woosah! I don't know what that is. Can you enlighten me?
This is one of the recent collaborative works that Nike did with a company, Readymade. It's just a wild take on the blazer. You can see that the Nike check is totally out of proportion. The midsole is this multi-layered, it looks like a boost midsole.
There are 4 laces on this shoe.
4 different kinds of laces. There's just a lot of things going on with the shoe. Based off of the look of the outsole here, I'm assuming that some of this is recycled material as well. These I would imagine are dead stock or very lightly worn, like maybe tried on condition. It's really hard to say. It looks like it's dead stock, but there's like a tiny bit of heel drag. It's so minimal, it's unbelievable. But at the same time, I can't declare this as a brand new shoe.
I feel like it is. I really feel like it is. I know you can't declare it, but in Lola's world.
This is one of those shoes that could be on the shelf at a sneaker store and they could still say it was a new product, but it definitely has been at bare minimum tried on. So for all intents and purposes, as far as resale is concerned, you gotta say that it's either new with defects and you declared it as tried on, or you say it's a few pairs left in the box. We're gonna just work our way from top to bottom. Here we have a size 11. Based off of the box, you can tell that this is a Jordan 1. It's got a Jordan 1 high. This is the Rookie of the Year. So the cool part about the Rookie of the Year is that if you pull open the wings of the shoe, you can actually see some of the statistics from Jordan's rookie year. It's actually a pretty solid shoe. Like, the materials are pretty decent on it. They're not incredible, but they're definitely not bad by any stretch of the imagination. The shoe was pretty slept on when it first came out and is now getting pretty good prices. Having one of these in a size 11 is really nice because right now my size 11 high quality inventory is pretty low, so I'm excited to have it. A couple of spots that need to be touched up on it. The uppers look really nice, but this will be a pretty quick clean, pretty easy. Size 11, Jordan 1, Rookie of the Year. 5 pairs deep, we got 2 more pairs to go. Size 10 and a half, Yeezy 350. It looks like the colorway is actually EA Earth.
I really don't appreciate this color at all.
Very lightly worn. Yeezy 350 Earth. A little bit of heel drag. The boost still looks immaculate. It's very clean. I think the color is ugly as shit.
Right now, it reminds me of when my dog gets sick.
It looks like puke. It's a puke colorway. I don't know. I respect the shit out of the Yeezy 350 V2. I think it's a great model of sneaker.
These sneakers in general, in and of themselves, regardless of colorway, are easily my favorite pair of sneakers to wear.
They're very comfy. They are very comfortable. This is just a really ugly version of them. Size 10 and a half, Yeezy 350 Earth. Really good condition, a little bit worn. Just stupid ugly.
Let's move on.
We're down to our last pair. This is also a Yeezy 350 V2, size 9.5. It is indeed a pair of Yeezy 350 V2 butters. They're worn, not heavily, very easy clean. These are actually pretty popular and they sell for a pretty good amount.
I feel like it's a quicker sell than the Earths.
For whatever reason, people always want to lowball the fuck out of me on this pair. It's always insulting, quite honestly. I get lowballed by like a pretty significant amount, and then within several days I sell it for what I wanted to sell it for. So please actually throw me your lowballs, because typically it's good luck in selling them actually. A very customizable shoe. Beyond that, I think that the color is actually pretty damn awful, personally.
It's 100% better than the Earths, though.
At any rate, a pair of very lightly worn Yeezy 350 V2 butters. A pair that we had in inventory over and over and over and over and over again. This has been around so many times, and it moves, but it's just a pain in the ass to move it for whatever reason. Closing out the box. 7 pairs in this beater box right here. It's a good box, but it's not out of this world outstanding.
I feel like you have some good movers, not fast, but like quicker. But I don't think it's like the hype that's like a immediate sell.
It's a lot of good stuff to draw attention. I think it's a lot more consistently priced pairs, if I'm not mistaken. And I think that there's a more even spread across the board as far as cost per pair, which is kind of atypical for this box range. I'm definitely not upset with the box. I'm just a little bit surprised. I think that I'm gonna have to educate myself a little bit more because some of these shoes are obviously worth more than what I expected that they were worth. At any rate, it was a fun and interesting box to open. Was it the best box in the world? I guess only time is gonna tell. I think that we're gonna get the money's worth out of the box at very minimum. We'll find out. Only one way to do that, and that's get down to business. So that's what we're about to do. At any rate, appreciate you guys checking in. As per usual, you can find all of the inventory that I currently have at www.Sailboats.Sneakers.com. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Sailboats.Sneakers. And you can also find me on Twitter at Sailboats.Sneakers.
Shimper me timbers. That was our box for the evening. What do you think, you scallywags? Did I do it?
That was better. It was a lot better. At any rate, thank you guys so much for sticking around until the cold, bitter end of this video. I'm Sailboat.
I'm Lola.
We're out of here.